How about that? This was a little guy. I just walked up. Thought I would just go check this yard. Thought I caught out of my side vision that I thought I seen the ground move. Then I waited, didn't see anything, and then I saw that he was actually in the middle of a run. When a mole is digging in the middle of his run, then you got to hit on both sides of him because you got to get off every access. And that's what I had to do. Reaching down in there, trying to pull this guy out. This guy's a coach. I know Coach is gonna be proud. God bless you all from the MOLiminator.